Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have is Ipsy. This is the Glam Bag for the month of June. So if you want to see what I got this month, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm gonna open it. I don't think I added on anything, but I don't remember either. Standard pink bag. This is the $12 a month subscription. Cancel anytime, and you get 5 deluxe sample size products. Okay, and I always say to check inside the bag because sometimes there's loose items, and this time we don't. Great. Look at this bag. I like this bag. It's yellow. It has a nice green, like mint Ipsy tassel here. And we have some colorful ladies in every variation of skin tones and hair color, which is really cute. Very summer inspired. So I like this one. I do like most of them anyway. This month is Make Waves. And it says save the date on 6/24 to choose a product. Okay, and you can follow @Ipsy on Instagram and join our community. So inside it is Here Comes the Sun, 5 tips to maximize your SPF, which is cute, but I don't have a card to tell me what I got. So we'll just wing it. So the first thing I see here is House of Makeup. It says long lasting nail lacquer. So it is a nail polish. And let's see if I can open it. Cruelty free and vegan. It says it right there on these little tabs. It's also good. Oh, this is a nice pale baby blue color. Very nice packaging. It's the first time I've ever gotten nail polish from Ipsy. Okay, next we have something in a package. Oh, this is what I chose. Now I remember. It is the Ofra highlighter. This is full size. Come on, guys. I love Ofra highlighters. The one that has been my favorite is Rodeo Drive, but this one is so pretty. This is like a rose gold color. Let's do a swatch. Oh, and it's so soft. Let's see. Maybe I have to build it up. Oh yeah. That is beautiful. Especially for summer. I mean, the golden tone is like my favorite, but like for summer when you know, you're sort of tan and you want to beam a little bit, definitely. Next is Eggplant. This is a clearing mud cream mask. I actually have Papa Recipe. I have their cleanser, which is absolutely amazing. It leaves your skin nice and clean. I did try to look for a full size and I couldn't find it. So if anybody knows, comment down below. I like it. So this is a mud mask. And we all know what mud masks are. And there's a seal. Perfect. We have Dewy Tree, the Clean Lab AC Dew Foam. This is slightly acidic cleansing foam, helps sebum control for sensitive skin. That is so perfect that it says sensitive skin right there. I have sensitive skin. So to try a new product, and this is made in Korea for all those K-beauty fans. Let's see, there's a seal as well. Perfect. Something to try, throw up in my to-go bag. And last but not least, we have Hello Fab. This is their Pores Be Gone Matte Primer, safe for sensitive skin. It's oil free. Let's see what else. And there's no seal, so I'll just take a little dab. I use primers mostly for my eyes when I'm doing, so it goes on basically clear. So when I get these little primers, I just use them for my eyes. But I can try it to see if like my pores just disappear. So this is First Aid Beauty. This is 9.6 grams or 0.34 ounces. Also a nice trial size, just in case you want to pick it up. So this is the inside of the bag with the Ipsy tag here. And this is a really cute bag. So to sum it up, we have the Ofra highlighter, and I didn't say, but it's in the color Soho. That is really pretty. And we got a nail polish from House of Makeup. We got the Hello Fab Pores Be Gone primer. We have a Dewy Tree cleanser for sensitive skin. And then we have Eggplant Mud Mask. So 5 items, and a bag for 12 bucks. It's perfect. I love Ipsy, and I look forward to my bags every single month. So let me know what you guys think down below. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, like if you thought this video was great, and comment down below if you have signed up for Ipsy, if you haven't signed up for Ipsy, and what did you like out of this bag. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Stay safe.